Hi and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to have another Bibbidi Bobbidi Box unboxing. I actually have two boxes for you guys, but I think we're going to do another video. These are the boxes. I'm pretty excited. There was kind of a mix up a little bit. I was supposed to get one of these boxes in February, but I didn't. So anyways, it ended up that I'm getting two in March. So that's why there's two boxes. And my goal was to get a box of every price point. So I did one with the ultimate box already, and I can link the video below if you didn't see it. But today we're gonna do the $39.99 box, I think. Yes, the $39.99 box. So anyways, I know you guys have probably already seen the box and it's really pretty. So anyways, we'll just get right into it because I'm super excited to see what I got. So I just pre-cut the box already just because it takes harder to get into. So this is what it looks like. So it has happy spring and happy unboxing. The flowers that bloom in adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all. It's pretty. And then they have the spoiler alert, which I'm not going to look at just because I don't want to see what's in my box. And they always have the pretty tissue paper in the little sticker. And you never want to rip the sticker, but you have to. Okay. Oh, okay. So the first thing I see is a button. It says, dishonor on you, dishonor on your cow, which is Mushu. He's pretty cute. And if you hear noise, it's just my cats. They've been playing with a bug or something, a fly. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a magnet. Oh my gosh, it's a little Mickey or Minnie magnet. How cute is that? Okay, my cats are here. Oh, this is, what is this? Oh, it's a scrapbook. So, Elsa and Anna, and it's a frozen scrapbooks. There's one scrapbook. That's awesome. And then just put your pictures and stuff. Oh, I love this. I'll be able to put my trip pictures in this. Oh, that's so pretty. And then I see this and I think, oh, no, there's something else. There's something else. There's two other things. Oh, it's a Wonderground Gallery postcard. Oh, this way, sorry. How cute. Aww. I don't know if you can see that. Seems like there's like a lot of glare. Okay, and then the last thing, there's like glitter everywhere. I love it. Yes. Oh my gosh. It's a tumbler, and it's a mini tumbler, and it looks like it's from the Flower and Garden Festival, which is happening right now. Oh, this is so pretty, and I love it. And pink is my favorite, and I love mini. Oh, this is fantastic. And I think that's it. So now we can look at the spoiler. Yeah, so the Disney Mouse Floral Tumbler was $18.99. The Disney Frozen Elsa and Anna Scrapbook was $10.47. The Minnie Mouse Magnet was $6.99, and the button was $4. And the Haunted Mansion Minnie and Mickey postcard, this one, was $4.99. So altogether my box was $45.44, and I paid $39.99. So it's pretty good. Anyways, I will post the video of the second unboxing probably shortly after this one. But anyways, I'm pretty happy with my box. I absolutely love this. This is probably my favorite thing out of all of it. But although the scrapbook is pretty cool too. Anyways, I like it all. I love it all. So I'm super, super happy with this one. Anyways, have a good night, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.